Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to Integral a Day. Today's our 10th day, and here's our integral. So it's lm is equal to the log of x over x to the power of 5, oh, don't forget the integral sign, dot dx. So to solve this, we're going to need to use integration by parts as we started I think we started yesterday. Pretty much, we've got an integral dot dv, and in order to integrate that, we need to assign either of these terms to be either u or dv, which it's better shown. But in order to integrate this, we need to turn it into this form here. So it's literally just assigning values to variables and then solving. I thought, oh, here we are. Thought I'd written it down beside me somewhere. As with all the rules, after I've written them down enough times, I start remembering them. However, earlier today I did another problem, and I couldn't remember the quotient rule for deriving. So, and I've done that plenty of times now. So I don't know. Sometimes it can also just take a bit of time. But so u here, you got to think. So we're going to be deriving u. So we've got to think what of these two functions here are going to be easiest to derive. Now log derives quite nicely, so the derivative of log is literally just 1 over whatever's inside here. In this case it's x, so 1 over x. And now we need to pick a dv term, and well, we've only got one other option here, and that's 1 over x over 5. So we need to integrate this here in order to get its derivative. I mean, in order to get v. And when we integrate this now, actually, I'm gonna. What did I do? Wow. There we are. Sorry, I just pulled it up, made the power negative. So it's easier to derive now. So x over -4, which I'm actually going to further change into 4x over 1 to the power of 4. Wow, I could not write in a more messier manner. Let's try that again. So v is equal to x -4 over -4, which equals, this will be better, so -1 over 4x4. Okay, so now we shall move forwards from here and just simply sub these values in for our new form. So I'm going to change color to like green again, and we're going to say the integral of log x over x5 dot dx is equal to, so we have here, we have u times by v. So we write u, got the log of x. Now we times that by v, which is equal to -1. So we can almost just put a negative sign there and then put all this over 4x to the power of 4. And subtract that by the integral of v. But so v is once again our -1, but we're timesing it by du, which is positive 1. So it still works. I'm just trying to think ahead and simplify as I go. So negative 1 over v du. So 4x4. And then du will put another x in there effectively. And now we just need to simplify this further. I'm actually going to put the equal sign back here. I like keeping them aligned. It's just, I also like space. All right, well, in order to simplify this further, we're going to do the log of x over 4x to the power 4 minus in this case. We'll actually turn that into a plus 1 over 4. So I'm just bringing out this, and now we can integrate. We can combine these x's here so that it's simply just 1 over x5. You know what I'm saying? Dot dx. We're integrating with respect to dx. I mean x, so I'll put dot dx on the end. And now I think we're all good to move forward. In fact, just to really drive the point home, I'm going to also integral of x to the negative 5. Now that's just the reverse power rule, which we've all done plenty of times before on this channel. So we're on my Insta page for this channel, which is in the description if you want to follow that as well. So 1 over, we're integrating. So I'm going to end up having, I'm going to do this in baby steps. So x minus 4 over negative 4. Yeah. Plus c. These are times together, so we get negative log x over 4x4 plus, now that would actually become a minus now, I can see. Because we've got a minus up here, positive there, so that becomes, in fact we can bring the 4 down below, which would just leave us with the 1 on the top. And as we did up here, we're just bringing the negative 4 down to become 4x4. Well, we're doing the same thing here. We're just bringing the 4 down here, turning it into a 16 by multiplying it. And that would then give us x to the power of 4. Yes. Because we also bring the x down with us. Plus c. And I assume that this will be our answer. So I think that's as far as I can take it. Let's check it on Symbolab quickly. Here we are. And we are going to type in the log x over x to the power of 5. I forgot the question for a second. Oops. Let's see what they got. Yes, nice. So we got that one right, or the same answer as Symbolab at least. But if you got a different answer or you see a better way of doing this, or just a different one, let us know in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear how you would do it. And yeah, I'll catch you all here for day 11 of Integral a Day.